Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your burglar alarm keep going off randomly in the middle of the night, or if it is triggering when nobody is home, the false alarm can be really frustrating. But the good news here is that there are a few common causes that are usually very easy for you to identify. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply take a look at this particular keypad. So most of the alarm system records the zone and the sensor that triggers the alarm. So over here on the panel, you just have to simply check for any faulty message or any zone number or low battery warning or the tamper alerts. So this can immediately point you to the source of the problem. Now after doing this, the second thing that you need to take care of is the battery. So sometimes what happens is the false alarm comes when the battery is weak. So you just have to simply remove this particular compartment, and here you will find the batteries. So you need to simply change them. Even if these look good, you just have to try and change them and see if the alarm is gone. Then you need to take a look at the motion detector as well. You need to make sure that they are not facing the direct sunlight or heating vents or air conditioners or any moving curtains or pets that exceed the sensor's rating. So these can also trigger the unexpected motion alarms. Now you need to also inspect the door and the window contacts. Sometimes a loose magnet, a misaligned sensor, or a damaged contact can make the system think that the door or the window has opened when it hasn't. Now, many of the alarm systems include the tamper protection. So if a detector cover is loose, a wire is damaged, or a control panel isn't fully closed, the system may repeatedly trigger the tamper alarms. So make sure that you also take care of that. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you understand this, or if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.